Hi guys, this is Lynn Schmidt again, your graphic design teacher, and we're starting in our experimentation with typography. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open Photoshop. Then you're going to go to Create New. Then over here on the side, you're going to want your width to be 11. Make sure this drop down is at inches. Make your height 8.5. RGB color, white background, and hit create. And there we have it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Open, and you should have downloaded the Truth or Consequences file. This is kind of your guideline for how the project should be done. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the side and you're going to get your eyedropper. And you're going to come over this blue and you're going to click it. Now, if you watched the video before about color, this particular color is the Pantone color of 2020. Every year they pick a special color. So then we're going to get our paint bucket and you're going to fill that whole background with that color. All right. Then we're going to come over to the side with our little color palette. We're going to click on the black and white. And then we're going to click on the arrow so white is at the top. Then over here on the sidebar, you're going to look for the type tool. If you hold it, you'll see there's horizontal. This is what you're going to use 99% of the time. Vertical just simply means it's going to type down. Okay? And we don't need that. So we're going to go the horizontal type tool and we're going to choose Arial and you're going to type in truth. Now you're going to highlight that. Come here to your toolbar and you're going to type in 150. And it's going to make that word truth really, really big. Okay? Now, you're going to go to Window and you're going to go to Character. Character is talking about the character of your letters. If you look right here, you're going to see the word Arial, but you're going to click your drop down, and as you see, as you go through it, you will see a variety of different fonts. You're going to pick one that you like that seems to demonstrate the word truth to you. The one that I chose is up here, and it is Trajan Color. And then I'm just going to click on it. Oh, why did it not stay? There it goes. All right, let me make that go away. All right, we're going to go back to the layer, and if you just double click on the layer, you'll see the word comes up truth. We're going to go back there, and we're going to pick our next, and we're going to go back up, and we're going to choose Arial again. This time we're going to change our font to 72. And we are going to simply type in the 2 letters OR. Okay? Now, if you use your move tool, you can click in the move tool and you can move that wherever you want. You can do the same thing with truth and you can move it to wherever you want. Okay? Going to go back to the word or. We're going to go back to our font tool. This time we're going to type in the words consequences. Lord, I hope I spelled it right. All right. We're going to highlight it. Oh my goodness. All right. I accidentally did not highlight it. I got layers, so I'm just going to click on that and hit delete, and it'll go away. Let's try it again. There we go. We'll highlight it. We're going to go to character, and it is luminary. See right there. Okay. Now, let's highlight that again. Let's see if I can find my C that I liked. That's still Herculeum. So let's go to All right, you're not going to let me do it? Okay. I'll just go down this way. See if you like it better. There it is, luminary. There. All right, now let's see if I can find my pretty C that I liked. There it is. I think I want the little diamond above it instead. Okay. Luminary, and the other one is Trajan. Here we go. And that's under glyphs. Now, I want to arrange them so it will be attractive. So I am going to move consequences. I'm going to click in the layers and drag it below truth. Because then when I get my move tool and I pull it up, I can see that truth can overlap it. So I'm going to do truth. I'm going to go back to consequences. I'm going to all right, remember if it accidentally comes up, just hit delete and it's all gone. All right, here you go. Maybe that's too big. Let's go to 72. No, too small. Maybe it was 100. Okay. Maybe this is too big. Let's change that one to 150. Oh, that's much better. All right, let's get our move tool, and we're going to move it up, and then we're going to move truth down so that they kind of overlap each other. Okay, now poor little or. Poor little or. Now or is too big, so we're going to get our font. We're going to highlight it, and we're going to make it smaller. So let's make it 48. Yeah. There we go. And then we can click on it, and we can move it there, or we could move it over here. Okay. I think I'm going to move it kind of right there. And you can also use your arrow keys to adjust it. Now, we need a color because right now, as it is, okay, it kind of stands out different. So we're going to use our eyedropper tool. We're going to click in the gold part of our truth. Then we're going to get our text tool. We're going to highlight the or, double click on the white up here, and then you're going to just click, and we have that. So now, to space all these so they work well, you're going to click on the or. You're going to hold your shift key down and click on the bottom one. Then you get your move tool and you can put it right in the middle. Truth or consequences. Then you'll go to File, Save As, and you'll have your first initial, last name, underscore, typography. Is that what I told you to do? No. Let's do it this way. Truth or, actually, truth underscore or underscore consequences. Okay. You're going to save one as a Photoshop document that's going to have all your layers. Now, I don't want that one. All I want, File, Save As, JPEG. All right. You can save it 7 and OK. That's it, guys. Talk to you later.